welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you some of the embellishments that I did for the No Paper Left Behind challenge, and this is initiated by the very talented and crafty Daniela Hayes. Hi Daniela. So the concept of this challenge is pretty much getting a paper from your stash and then working on that paper collection for the entire month and using it all up and see what you can come up with. So every week or whenever you're able to, once you create some things from that paper collection, you show it to your friends, and it is a collaboration with the other talented ladies that we have in YouTube, and I will link their channels down below so you can follow them and see what creative things that they are up to. So for me this week, I know I need to kind of get caught up with the collection and the collab. So this collaboration, I am using the Snow Much Fun paper collection, and this is from Cartabella. This is perfect paper collection because we are going to a snow cabin at the end of the month, and I will be making like a traveler's notebook to bring to the trip with me and to scrapbook and document the activities and the experience and everything. And obviously I will be needing some embellishments, so I cut up some pieces from the paper itself. They have an entire sheet just made up of cute sweaters, guys. So cute. Look at these. So I just fussy cut them and put some double-sided tape from the Dollar Tree. How cute, right? And it has different designs and different colors and the beautiful color combination. It's so pretty. Let me show you some of the sweaters that I was able to cut up. I got this from Amazon, and I know it's still available. So cute, and the colors are so muted and amazing. So I love these. How cute is that patch in the elbow? So yeah, I fussy cut them, and the paper is very thick. That is perfect for embellishments. So I just put double-sided tape, and then they have another sheet that has all globes, snow globes with different designs. So you know me, I'm gonna cut that up and make them into embellishments. They're so cute and tiny, and they're perfect. Okay, so I have all that, and then I cut up these. These are the Project Life cards that, it doesn't have to be Project Life. You can use them for plain cards, or I was going to put them in my traveler's notebook. So that's part of that. And then I have some sentiments that I have from, left over from different travel kits that I worked on last year. So we're going to use that. And then, so based on this, I used my dies that I use all the time that are my favorite. The coffee cup dies and the mason jar dies from Stampin' Up! And some more dies from, I think, AliExpress. So that, I used that, and then let me show you what we have. So let's start with the rosettes. I used the Tim Holtz die, the old one. So that's number one. This is a mason jar that has a fox. I hope you can see the details because the fox is so cute. I love this. These papers are so thick and nice. This is just a paper cluster, but still cute. It could be a title for your page, because we're gonna be there I think 3 nights and 2 days. So we're gonna go there Friday and then leave after breakfast. So it's still perfect because we have work that Monday. How cute. Sorry about that noise. I'm filming in my craft room, which is upstairs. Isn't that cute, guys? Let me know what you think down below. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. These are the stuff that you can expect to see in my channel. And if you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below on what's your favorite ephemera. And then if you would like, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would absolutely appreciate it. Sorry about that noise, guys. Cute coffee cup, isn't it? Look how cute. These are so tiny. Can you see the tiniest deer in the whole world? And this is my finger. Look, that is the tiniest deer ever. And then this one is a cloud die, and it says Winter Wonderland. So cute. So I think I started a little late. I didn't really start late. I started already, but I have all these cut up. It's just I didn't film. I just started filming today. So this is another coffee cup. It says Happy Days. Wander and explore. Thank you. You've been super patient. We're almost done with these embellishments, last few cups and embellies. I hope that this gave you a little bit of inspiration for like a winter project that you might be working on. I love that you can use your die cuts over and over and come up with different projects that have different themes in them. I encourage you to use your scrap stash and come up with new things that you haven't done before. And so this marks the end of our project share. I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.